Hello everyone. Do you want to elevate your Squarespace website's performance in 2023? With these 5 game-changing tips and tricks, you can explore customization hacks, see SEO strategies, and best practices to make your site stand out and attract more visitors. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So, guys, to get started with this video, we will go through this incredible article that I found it online. So this article has more than 5 tips. It has 51 incredible Squarespace tips. And we will just go through one and another until we finish them all. So let's start first with customizing your fav icon. So for the new buyer who comes to start their first website ever, they totally ignore the fav icon. They don't really care about it. They care about the design, the menu, the pages, the pictures that they have in the website itself. But somehow most of us actually forgot about the five icon. And I know some of you don't even know what is the favorite icon. So the five icon is simply like this one. So as you can see, this is a five icon. This one is a five icon. Here, if I went to this website, as you can see here, it has a fav icon. Even Squarespace has its own fav icon over here. So the fav icon is the logo that you find in the tabs or the logo of the website. It's not the logo that you see in the page itself, but the logo that you see in the tabs. So this is the fav icon, and it is so important to have it for your website. It is iconic and it makes shows to people that you are actually interested in your website. You are not just randomly making a website from nothing. And as you can see, even all the tabs that I have here have their own five icon. So you really have to go for a five icon for your website, and generally it's gonna be your main logo. So you just have to make your logo small enough to fit it as a five icon and put it as your five icon, which is simply very easy. And the next step, which is limit your colors. Don't go crazy with your colors, especially here when I am choosing a template from Squarespace gallery. As you can see, these are professional templates and they are not going crazy with the colors. They are basically sticking up with 3 to 4 colors, like black for the writing, background white, sub like the main titles are in another color, and that's it. They don't really go for extra colors: red, blue, green, yellow, red, green, gray, blue, orange here, purple. I don't know. People are actually going crazy with colors when you don't really need to do so. Simplicity makes stuff more attractive to most of us. So there is a code that says if you understand something, the most way that you have to explain it is the simple way. So the way that you have to actually present your website is the most simple way and the easiest way for the visitor to go through it. For example, here I'm going to give you a real example as Nike. Nike, if I've seen their website, it's super duper simple. A menu, their logo, the main image, a title, a button, 2 images, and that's it. There is no extra colors, nothing crazy, a footer which has the little bit of informations. Like even the menu is so short, like there is nothing more than find a store and about us. That's it. So you see how crazy they are making a professional website with literally nothing. It's simple as that. So try to get inspirations from the most famous marks and try to get inspiration from their websites. That will help you a lot. So now after we talked about the colors, you have to use hero images. Hero images are the images that you are getting it from other than Google. Okay, so now let's talk about why not Google. So first of all, Google images, most of them are licensed. So once you search for an image, so let's for example nature. Here we go. First of all, these images are not completely free for you to use. So for you to actually get some users rights, you have to click here and give like users rights, Creative Commons licenses, commercial and other licenses. And here you go. These are some images that you can use from Google for the purpose that you are using your website for. And they will not be that good of a quality, and sometimes you will not be having the best images that you are looking for. So what you have to do instead is go and get images from these two websites, which are Unsplash and Pixels. You will really find some good high quality images. As an example, look at this one. Look at the colors. And it is high quality and for free for you to use. No one will blame you for using it. So this is a point that you have to put in mind. And the fourth point, which is simplicity again. Do not go for crazy fonts. Do not go for Japanese fonts. Do not go for any crazy stuff. You just have to go simple. Just choose fonts that can be easily read by people. Easily, like you can use some bold fonts as your title, some someone like classy or serif as your text and the content, and that's it. This is simply it. You don't need to make a specific font for the menu, specific fonts for the header, specific font for the second header, specific fonts for, I don't know, like the content. No, just choose two fonts to go for. That's it. You don't have to go crazy with the fonts. And the fifth point, which is having a social proof templated pages. Make sure to have some like three great types of social proofs as user testimonials, celebrity endorsements, and business logos. These will boost your websites, especially if you have some like a business that will boost the sales that you have are having on your website. Like so much people will be like, oh, okay, these companies are having sponsorship with this one or something like that. Okay, that means they have good quality, good stuff, so I'm going to buy from them. This is pretty important to have. Here we have some tips like free icons, free illustration, free stock photos. So these are just some extra information that's stuff that you really want to have in your website to decorate it to make it look pretty much good looking. As an example here in Nike, they have some example logo of Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. So instead of just having blank Instagram, like just Instagram writing and you can click on it, no, use logos instead of it. Anything that can be replaced with logo. I mean, don't go crazy with it. Adds the same points. Don't go so crazy with it. Keep it simple, but at the same time, try to keep it like as simple as possible and use some logos here and there. So this goes for free illustration, free stock photos, free stock footage, and etc. etc. And this one use spacers to give your design breathing rooms is the same as Nike. So here there is some space in here, as you can see. There is this dividing space between sections. Make sure to give some space to your sections. People need space, the same as your sections that you have on your websites. Make sure to give your website some space in between the sections. They really need that. This will be more comfortable for the eye to catch and to see and to scroll within the website. And there is much more than that. There is so many tips that you can go through this specific website, guys. So make sure to go to careersfirst.com/blog/Squarespace tips, and you will find so many tips around how to make your Squarespace website go crazy and enhance the experience of your visitors. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.